Just get it done. Time and stress management. Stop feeling overwhelmed. Improve your time and stress management. This course covers 3 sections. In part 1, we will deal with time management. Those able to successfully implement time management strategies are able to control their workload rather than spend each day in a frenzy of activity reacting to crisis after crisis. Stress declines and personal productivity soars. The time management workshop will cover strategies to help participants learn these crucial skills. Your participants will be given a skill set that includes personal productivity and motivation, delegation skills, organizational tools, and crisis management. Part 2 deals with stress management. Positive and negative stress is a constant influence on all of our lives. Maximize the positive part of stress and minimize the negative. Learn the AAA approach. Addressing any stressful situation. Learn personal skills to deal with stress, including routine relaxation techniques and a stress log system. You will also understand the lifestyle elements that can be used to change and reduce stress. Part 3, goal setting and getting things done. Our goal setting and getting things done workshop will cover strategies to help you deal with distractions and overcome procrastination. These skills will translate into increased satisfaction in your professional and personal lives. So enroll in this course today and just get things done.